Hi, I am Jo from Jo's Paradise of Colour. I am a fibre tutorial art spinner. So if you are interested, please come and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell if you would like to see more. In this video, I am going to be sharing how to make these absolutely stunning super fat Rolags. These will be used in another video that I am planning, which will be making super chunky super coil yarn. So if you're interested in that, please wait. It will be up within the next week or two. So I hope you enjoy. I am going to be using a few different types of fibre and yarns in this one. Something a little bit different, but I hope you enjoy. Leave me a comment down the bottom. And yeah, I think they're absolutely stunning, these ones, and I will be making more. So if you have any color suggestions, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll do up some videos with your suggestions, and we'll see how they turn out together. Enjoy. I have cut them so they fit on the board better. They're gonna add some pretty cool color pop for texture. I found some absolutely beautiful tussar silk, so it'll go really nicely with the color pop. I have some black tussar silk as well as the 50 grams of leftovers. I'm going to use the rest of my white merino and silk as well, because I want to make 100 grams and I'm not going to get it if I only use the other. I'm going to use this in the inside because I want colour on the outside. Now this is experiment. I've never had done really big fat ones before, but looks pretty cool so far. Looks really cool. Now I'm gonna make another 4 of these, and then I will share what they all look like at the end. Thank you so very much for joining me in tonight's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something new. Some things didn't work out real well for me, but using these, I think they're going to add that extra little bit of special at the end of making some super coil. So, and all this will be reused and put into the leftover fibre bag. Big fat Rolags for chunkier art yarn. So, hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and bye for now.